There it is! The Bosch GKS 185Li brushless cordless circular saw. It's a brushless motor, which means it's going to be more efficient and durable compared to brushed motors. Another great feature is the ergonomic design of the handle. It feels comfortable to hold and provides a secure grip. And the most exciting feature is the cordless design. This saw is powered by a lithium-ion battery, which gives you the freedom to work anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. To attach the blade, first open the blade guard. While holding it up, place the blade onto the arbor. Reattach the arbor nut, and then push and hold the spindle lock button down to prevent the blade from rotating. Tighten the arbor nut to secure the blade in place. That's it! The maximum cutting capacity of this saw is really impressive. It can handle cuts up to 57mm at 90 degrees, and if you need to make bevel cuts, it can still handle 45-degree bevel cuts up to 41mm. To set the cutting depth, turn the locking lever upward to unlock the base. Adapt the cutting depth to the thickness of the workpiece. A space of less than the height of one full tooth should be visible under the workpiece. There we go! It is sliced through this piece of wood like it was butter. This circular saw has some serious cutting power. It's got the speed and precision that I look for in a cordless circular saw.